So my plan is to change out these tires from the original, which have about 3,000 miles on them, which it isn't bad. They're just not as off-road friendly as I would like. Not quite as knobby as I would like. So what we're going to do, see if I can, I've got the light that I need in here. We're going to put these two as the front and the rear, and then my box of goodies with the front tube, the rear tube, some baby powder. So we're gonna grab all this stuff, back it out here so we got a little more light. All right. There are the tires. Rear tire, a 130 9017. I'm going to do something like this right here. That's the difference. Way different. And the 90 21, something like that. Way different. Yep. Okay, so I got it on the center stand and a motorcycle jack. So the front tire spins freely. I got all my tools. There's my front tire. Front tube. 21 inch, a rear tube, 17 inch, and Johnson's baby powder to slide the tube around so it doesn't give me a hassle. Other tire, which I'll probably won't put on today unless I'm just feeling froggy. But yeah. Got the front wheel off, which is basically it's a the speedometer, the wheel speed sensor fits onto it. There's a axle that fits through here, a pinch bolt that holds it together, a nut here, and that's pretty much it. So this is what we got. So we're gonna take the tire off, let all the air out, take the tire off, try and get the other one in without too much cursing and annoyance, but we shall see. Talk about backyard mechanics. That's the original tire off. Not as big a pain as I expected. That's her front rim, original tire, original tube. So that's the end result of the tire going on the wheel. Oh, geez. Nice and knobby. I only pinched one tube. So it's all good. I expected it. There's the old tire. That's a big difference. Yeah. Got the back wheels off. Probably a lot easier to take it off than it is to get it back on. There's my tube. Trying to pinch this one. The tire. Old wheel and tire. One's getting kind of down actually in the center. 3,000 miles, which ain't much. Oh well. So that's the rim, a little bit at a time. New tire. Old tire. Alright, so that's the old tires. So if I ever need a spare, I guess I got them. Looks like that the tube was patched at some point. That's weird. It's just silly. It's a no-no. I don't know. Not my problem anymore. Yeah. Old tires, and then I got the new one. Took it out. I rocked it around a little bit. It does pretty good. Off-road for sure. It does real good.